Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So we just came back from Walmart, just have a quick little haul, and now I almost knocked the tripod over. But we kind of just picked up some random stuff because I just did a haul yesterday, and these are just a couple of things I forgot. So I needed these 2 folders. I grabbed 2 of these for school, and so I got that. And I don't know how I got up to $80, but got up to $80. I don't know. I grabbed one of these. So Nala and Nina have the moist, and they also have the dry, and both of them seem to like this, the Beneful Incredibites. For small dogs. They like this flavor, both of them. And usually Nina does not eat hard anything. I did go over to the to where they had the Christmas stuff. But let me go ahead and before I show you that, let me go ahead and show you what other food items I got. So I got 1 bag of the fried pork rinds. So these are all going to seem pretty random, but instead of breadcrumbs, we use pork rinds in our salad. That sounds weird, but you got to try it, guys, because it's pretty good. I decided to go ahead and instead of buying that big thing of yogurt that I was buying, Matthew will eat that, I'm going to go ahead and stick with the 2 Goods yogurt that has 2 grams of sugar. See, and I like the vanilla flavor. So I grabbed 4 of these, okay? So, and if I want to put some blueberries in it, I will. Let me go ahead and let Nina inside. Okay, so both of them were outside. All right, so I think this is easier for me. So it's 2 grams of yogurt, as I was saying. And not only that, if I wanted to go ahead and add some blueberries, just a little bit of blueberries, at least I know how much sugar I'm dealing with. When I was in Walmart, I actually looked at the Greek yogurt plain. It still had like 4 or 5 grams of sugar. If I was looking at, of course, if I was looking at the vanilla one, that still had like even more than that. So I'd just rather stick with it already pre-portioned, and I'm already used to eating these. I don't know if you guys remember when I used to do the hauls before. I always had the 2 Goods yogurt. I'm sorry, she keeps knocking this, moving the treadmill. I'm sorry, treadmill. Guys, I'm so tired. She keeps moving the tripod, is what I meant to say, with her tail, too. So Matthew likes the Parmesan cheese in his salad. I don't. So he's going to make a salad, and I'll have some, but he's going to take out my portion. Okay, 2 of the heavy cream, because you know I cook with this. Guys, Nina decided to drink some water. She does it every time I'm on camera. And she overdrinks the water, the bowl hits her neck, she starts coughing. And she likes drinking out of Nala's bowl. It doesn't matter if I try to put it in something smaller, she will go right to her bowl. Okay, so 2 of these. Then I kind of like shredded cabbage. It replaces the crunch. I'm sorry, my windows are open, and of course we have some noise. I munch on these. This helps to curb my appetite. So every time I feel hungry, I have a handful of peanuts and I'm good. I decided to look how small these avocados are. I could not believe how small these avocados were. I'm gonna start incorporating my avocados. These are so tiny, guys, look at this. I just could not believe how small they were. But you know what? Like, they're almost ready to eat. And then I wanted to get another one of Another one of the almond milk unsweetened vanilla flavor. Let's see. So see, total sugar 0. I just don't understand why the yogurt, the Greek yogurt, if I'm getting it, even if I got it light, I just could not believe the sugar that was in it. So you got to look at your labels, guys, especially if you're watching a specific thing. So here it's 0 sugar. So I got another one of these because I take moringa powder and I just mix it in with my almond milk, and that's how I take it. I also make chia seed pudding with this, and so yep, so the almond milk kind of goes quickly. Now, let me put this in the fridge and then I'll go ahead and show you what I got from the Christmas section. I think he's going to use this, so I'm going to take this. I don't know if he's gonna do this. I'm gonna munch on some of those peanuts, and I'm gonna put this in their bin. Okay, I am leaving the peanuts out, guys, because I am hungry. But it's kind of late. What time is it? It's like 9 o'clock and we haven't eaten dinner yet. Anyway, I could not resist. All of the Christmas stuff was pretty much already out, and I just had to go over there. So, they had the cutest condiments, ornaments. It was one of the cutest things. They had the Cheetos, the Funyuns, the hot sauce. All that stuff was so cute, you know, just to do like one of those favorite foods type of tree. That might be a good idea, but it's not going to be this year I'm doing that. Maybe when they go on clearance, I can pick them up for next year. Matthew kind of liked those. All right, so these are the mini ornaments, and it's a gingerbread, the spatula, the snowflake, and then we have the joyful cup, and then the bowl. So this was kind of cute, $2.48. That says it right there. So I got one of those. Then the poinsettias, look how cute. This is the cutest thing. So it's 60 cents. It is a clip, but I take the clip off. And look how cute to embellish. I absolutely love these. 60 cents, guys. We can't sleep on Walmart when it comes to these things, because you're not gonna find it this inexpensive. You really are not. And look how beautiful they look. So they did have another color. I just can't remember what it was. It wasn't white. Maybe it was silver. I thought I got 3, but okay. So this was in a different section than the ornaments. Okay, this was in the same section as that stuff was. This was with the mini ornaments, and it was actually in a box. So this was 98 cents. So I got 2 of these. See how cute? I got 2 of these. Then I went over by the paint and I grabbed the Apple Barrel Christmas green, and then I grabbed the red apple. So I gotta stock up on Christmas colors. I'm going traditional colors this year. I'm not really gonna go buy too much more. Now I gotta take this out because these are ceramic and they turned around on me. So here's one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And it's probably a bell, but I want it for my tier trays. So this one is the gingerbread guy with the chef hat, I guess. So I'm gonna put it back as I show you. Then this one is just a gingerbread guy. So I love these. I'm gonna use them in my tier trays. This one has a candy cane. And then this one has a snowflake. Okay, so for ornaments, if you were to buy one individually, especially ceramic, so these were a good buy. So that's what I got so far. We're getting ready to have something to eat real quick, guys, because we have church tomorrow. And all right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.